Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to turn off camera in Skype. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Skype application, which of course I have done right here. Now, what exactly is Skype? Skype is a proprietary telecommunications application that allows you to keep in touch with free video chat, messaging, and affordable calls. You can create instant online video calls with one click, no download required. So now that we know a bit of what Skype is about, let's really hop into today's text, which is how to turn off camera in Skype. So the first thing I'd like you to do is, from your home screen, head over to the left corner of your screen where you have these icons: chat, calls, contacts, now and today. So go ahead and click on contact for you to select the contact that you want to have a conversation with. So let's say this is a person and I want to have a conversation with this person. Now, I cannot start a video call conversation with this person because this person has not accepted my request. So this is what is just going to happen. Let's say I click on the video call option and you see it's just going to go out. It's going to log me out of it immediately. But this is how you can do it. So once you click on this video call option and you want to turn off, so go ahead and click on this video icon and it's just going to turn off your camera. But I'm going to show you how to do that using group chats, which is also the same thing. So I created this group chat, Fun Chats with Amy, and I opened it up. So I'm just going to click on Start Call at the top right corner here. And for me to start this call, you can see if I click on the video icon, you see that my video is enabled, my camera is on. So if I start this call, I'm just going to see my face. All right, so my face is going to be here. So if I don't want my face to be shown, all I just have to do is to click on this video icon and that's it. My face is not showing, just my profile picture. So that's how to turn off the camera. So just click on the video icon and camera is turned on. Click on the video icon and it shows this X thing, this cross, showing that your video camera has been turned off. So that's pretty much the process. That is how you can turn off camera in Skype. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.